can we like talk about a cutting board that comes with it? Look at the stove. Look at this. I just love the layout, the way this goes right here. I don't need a big kitchen. I'd rather have it in living space. But guys, look at this. I mean, I swear to you, it covers all the boxes. It has 2 bedrooms. Seriously, I'm FaceTiming Adrian right now. Then I'm gonna go live.
Even if we have to give up our living space.
Nice little bath, shower. I love it. I love all the space in here. Love all the space in here. Nice sink. Here are 2 accessory drawers, which means you could put your blow dryer, your curling iron, a little plug in there. I love the attention to detail, like the little place to hang your towels. You have your Furrion water heater there. You have all this closet space. I mean, look at it, guys. It's insane. All this, it is CPAP ready. And it's Adrian's side of the bed. Check it out. Check out that window, guys. CPAP ready for Adrian's side of the bed. Check out that window. I think that's my most favorite. It has a blackout shade so the heat won't come in. This is a king size bed, which would be a first for us. Now let's go out here. Let's show you the rest of this beautiful. Look at this window, guys. Look at this window. This is incredible. Let's show you the rest of this. Okay. There he is in the kitchen.
That's where you gotta go. 2 full recliners.
Pretty neat there. Pretty neat there. Explain what that thing is over there.
It's a cup washer. You can get your dishes washed here. Control the water here.
Look, hardwood drawers. Open them up and show them those hardwood drawers. Open up that oven. It has a round where you could put your pizza. There's drawers here. Check this out, guys.
Reminds me of the carols a little bit.
Oh,
Set up here anyway.
Yeah. How about imagine 31?
Walk forward. Forward, straight. It's nice. I really like it, but
nice loft for the kiddos. Looks like it's kid approved. Love the fireplace. Nice big. And it also has a secret little compartment here. Pretty neat. Let's take a look and see at the dining area. Big TV.
Smart sink.
Look at that dining table with 4 chairs. Now the bedroom. Wow, now that's a lot of cabinet space. Looks like a full-size bed. And a nice place to put your jewelry. Plenty of cabinet space. A nice big closet for your washer and dryer. Another full-size bathroom with plenty of more storage. Farm-style doors, love those. Another great addition.